This video tutorial from WP Wiki will explain how to install and configure the WPMU DEV Dashboard plugin. The Dashboard plugin is required for all WPMU Dev members. If you want to use fantastic plugins like Smush Pro or Hummingbird Pro, you must install the WPMU DEV Dashboard plugin. The following steps will guide you through the process of downloading, installing, and activating the plugin, and then syncing your first site to WPMU Dev. I already have the premium membership here. If you are still thinking about being a premium member, just click on the link below you want to use these awesome features. So, at first, we need to go to the hub. We will see this interface. Click on Add your first website. We are here to connect the WPMU Dev Dashboard, that's why I click on Connect. You can connect this in two different ways. Automatically connect site requires your WordPress admin panel credentials, which I don't want to do. I would like to press manually install the plugin. I got the Dashboard plugin download link. And I downloaded that. Now I need to upload the WPMU Dev Dashboard plugin to my WordPress admin panel. Install and activate the WPMU Dev Dashboard. Click the Install Now button, and the Plugin installed successfully message will appear along with the Activate Plugin button when the installation is complete. Click the Activate Plugin button to activate the Dashboard plugin. You will be prompted to connect to WPMU Dev in order to sync your site to the hub. Enter your WPMU Dev account username and password and click the Connect button. Congrats! You have successfully installed the WPMU Dev Dashboard, syncing your site with the hub, unlocking pro features, and providing instant access to our brilliant support team. From this dashboard, you can manage all your WPMU Dev premium plugins to boost your website. Just see that. You can get the most popular Smush Pro plugin and all others here. If you go here, you also see your website name. That means you just connected your website to WPMU Dev. If you like my videos, please subscribe and visit my playlist to get in touch.